Hi, my name is Pat Skelly and I'm the CEO of Prohire Limited. I would like to welcome you to Prohire TruckTV. This is our YouTube channel.
So hi guys, today on Prohire TruckTV we're very excited to be joined by the latest addition to the Prohire fleet, the Renault Kangoo Z.E 33. So we're delighted to be joined today by the DAF XF HVO tractor unit, which is specially designed to use HVO fuels. Hi guys, welcome to Prohire TruckTV. Today we're going to briefly delve into the direct vision standards for London, and we are joined today by the DAF XF and Argo, one of the most safety conscious companies in the UK. Edition 1 2563 13-litre 44-tonne tractor unit. If that was not special enough, we are joined by Bob Holt of Mercedes dealer Mertram to run through this in more detail. And this van has caught my attention on a number of fronts, and there's some brave promises made by the manufacturer on the mileage that this van's able to do.
Hey guys, we're coming back towards the latter end of the journey now. I have to say I'm a little bit concerned in as much as we've about 34 to 35 miles left of our journey back to Prohire headquarters. Unfortunately we've only got 40 miles of electric left, and it seems to be using it rather more quickly than I anticipated. So
has had all of the ancillary and standard equipment removed, so your gearbox has been removed, the engine has been removed, and all of the radiator and cooler systems have been taken away from this vehicle. Interestingly enough, inside is where things get slightly different, and this is one of our lane vehicles for cage work, and there are very few standard rental vehicles in the marketplace for rent on a day-to-day ad hoc basis with movable lanes, collapsible lanes. So they not only move from side to side to give you chill and frozen, they have the ability to collapse against the bulkhead and actually give you a single temperature operation as well.
welcome to TruckTV. I'm Paul Hassel, Group Ops Director. As you can see, Pat's not here this week. We've locked him in the office for a few hours, just to give me a chance to talk about the huge investment we made in the rental fleet.
Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Andrew Morley, the Group Sales Director of Prohire, and I'm here at Restore Harrow Green, right in the centre of Docklands in London, to hand over a new electric vehicle to Restore.
So we've another successful delivery of a demonstrator vehicle on a 7.5 ton platform, and of course the beauty about that is we've got another customer trying the fuel of the future, certainly from an urban delivery vehicle. The problem for me, I've got to walk back to Stoke. Hey guys, and welcome to another edition of Prohire Truck TV, and today we're up in the wonderful realms of Lancashire with the rain on us at a company called Solomon Commercials. Now, is it a black cab? Is it a van? Why don't we have a look at it and really find out? It's very different, it's very green,